Alright, hey, this is Hans with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today we've got yet another one of these. It's the everything bagel, but I'm gonna do it up with a bagel and cream cheese. I know, but I don't know what else to do. I gotta do something weird with it, right? So that's what I'm gonna do. Yeah, that's more than enough. Okay, we're gonna give this sucker a try. Alright, so there we go. It's weird. I mean, the everything bagel stuff is pretty darn good, I gotta admit. Not bad at all. So, there will be a next thing that happens. I'm going to do a bagel with cream cheese with noodles and sauce on top. Uh-oh. The connection has been lost. Oh, hey, we're back. That works. Okay. So, the connection has been lost. I wonder why it's losing its connection. I don't think it's the microwave doing it. But yeah, it's Tuesday? It is. It's Tuesday, the 9th of April, 2024. And yeah, I'm gonna put junk on a bagel. That sounds fascinating, doesn't it? I've got a funny one of these weird. That's a spoon, and that's a spoon. And I need the funny knife because I'm gonna try using the funny knife. Oh wow! I keep saying that it doesn't have a connection. That's irritating. I'm irritated. So we've got our bagel. This is a cheddar bagel. It's from the local grocery store, the bakery. So I've got whipped cream cheese. It's roasted red pepper flavor. I thought that sounded possibly delightful, worth a shot. They didn't have very many other options. All the other options were either boring. I'm really not a big fan of like straight cream cheese. Some people really like it, but that's fine. I don't. I didn't want to use blueberry. I didn't want to use garlic and onion or any of that stuff. What I really wanted to use was the salmon. I was thinking of getting just regular cream cheese and some lox, but this is a quick deal, and I don't know. Lox are kind of expensive, I'm guessing. I don't know, but I decided I would not, and also I didn't know if at the store I would be getting them. Let's do this. That's pretty good. I like the red pepper. Nice. Yeah, I just didn't want to spend way too much and have a bazillion things left over. That's why we ended up with the cheddar bagels instead of the jalapeno cheese ones. Those are my favorite, but I would have had to get 6 of them, and I really don't need 6 bagels. So. That is the deal. But now we have a bagel with cream cheese. We're gonna put noodles on top of it. I'll take pretty pictures of it, and then I'm gonna try it. Which I don't know. I just don't know. But I know in a minute we're gonna need 1 minute. There we go. There we go. So that'll be the deal. I'm playing the weird mix of music. Bad. That one's not too bad. Kind of laid back kind of deal thing, I guess. I've been working my butt off the last couple days. So today I did the images and the pics for the Global Top 10 2024. Mind you, that list is only going to be one company. So there's going to be 10 different companies, if that makes sense. No double companies on the list. I figure it makes it, maybe more people will be able to try more things. Of course, in the video, I will be mentioning other things that the company makes that will also be enjoyable and possibly accessible as well. All right, so we got our everything here. And I'm wondering, do I want to use this or what I made earlier? Because this is really soupy. Is this one still soupy? It isn't, and think that's gonna work better. This one's more of a solid. Oh yeah, it's soaked up all the liquid. I think I want to use this one. I think that'll work out much better. So you can go back in here and hang out. Okay, so let's build our everything bagel thingy deal. Yeah, I didn't even think of that. That'll work much better. So here we go. So we have plate. This is my new plate too, by the way. I got it at a place over in Lake Forest Park called Two Trading Tigers. Kind of like I don't know if they do consignment, but pretty neat little shop. Nice people there. There's a lot of noodles. This will be an unwieldy thing to try to eat. But there's cream cheese, there's bagel, and there's noodle. Tricky thing to plate too. Oh crap! So I did something wrong here. That's the bottom, obviously, so I need to flip this thing over. Okay. Yeah, that works. I'm gonna be happy with that. So let's take a quick moment to allow Rotato to do its thing. I'll go take some beauty shots and then come back and give it a try, all right? Alright, so here's what we got. We got bagel, cream cheese, noodle, cream cheese, bagel. And it's a cheesy bagel. And this is going to be freaking untenable, I have a feeling. But we'll give it a try. Yeah. What a mess. Okay. Oh, okay. So, yeah. Noodly bagely. There you are. Here, come in close. This is gonna be ridiculous. Alright, let's give it a try. Most of what I'm getting is that cream cheese that I added. But the aspect of the noodle that I am getting is definitely tasting like everything bagel. It's kind of... Wow. Yeah, this is a thing. Is it amazing this way? Is this the way to make it? I don't know. Regular out of a cup is really not that bad. In fact, it's pretty good. This... I don't know. I wanted to do something, break in the new bowl, you know. But, yeah. Alright, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.